Okay, so today here we have the Nintendo Switch and it's brand new, so we will be opening it.
Ooh, Joy-Cons. There's a right Joy-Con.
Take it out. Show.
This is a good size.
And it's a pretty good, don't get it that close. And it's a pretty good size for your hands.
How'd you guys get this? I am really excited. I'm Anya's brother, and I've been wanting this for a long time. I've been saving up, and today...
He finally got the Nintendo Switch, yes. So, we're making a video of him opening it. He just got it right now. Ooh, and there's the screen.
with the little stand.
Oh, that's nice. Oops, sorry.
I want to hear that signature click. Ooh, click.
You know how, like, in the videos it shows the click? It does sound like a click. What else is there? Oh, and they have more stuff.
The Joy-Con grip.
Oh, there.
Nice.
For the TV.
Alright.
And he's going to try them on for there. Wow. And also, he also has Legends of Zelda Breath of the Wild. Maybe after you're done, you can go and show them
Yeah.
in another video. Show them a little bit of Breath of the Wild.
Nice.
And I think that's the charger.
No, it's not the charger. It's just the thing that you use to put it in the TV.
Oh, yes. I assume this is the charger?
Well, this is the...
Oh, then
It
this
comes
is
with an HDMI.
This
and
is
then
the charger.
This is the charger.
Oops, I don't really know a lot about video game consoles. What's that right there?
This is the little grip.
Uh-huh. Oh!
So it can...
Oh, okay.
And it slides on. Like
Sorry about the noise. Just. Oh, yeah. That's for ARMS, right?
Yeah.
Or other games. Like, you can use that for the game ARMS or One to Switch, which he's saving up for. Put it together. And turn it on. So, take out the charger. Yeah, don't mess with that. Just take out the charger. Take it out. And that's the HDMI cable. And then now he's going to take out the charger. And then in another video, we'll have him turning it on and stuff. And showing you guys Breath of the Wild. Here, he'll take out the charger. Goes like that.
All right. Hey, Dad.
Okay. So, gotta take out the charger. Cool. And so, that is the Nintendo Switch. So, in another video, we'll show him turning it on and playing Breath of the Wild. Thanks for watching Nintendo Switch opening. It's a Nintendo Switch. He did want the colorful one, but they only had the just black one. So, thanks for watching.